The dry don't repeat yourself principle for software development is a fundamental concept that encourages programmers to avoid duplication of code. By following this principle, developers can improve code maintainability, reduce the chances of errors, and increase the efficiency of their work. The dry principle emphasizes the creation of reusable code components, which can be leveraged across different parts of a software application. This not only saves time and effort, but also results in a more consistent and scalable code base. In essence, the dry principle promotes a more efficient and effective approach to software development, making it an essential concept for all programmers to embrace. The dry principle also contributes to better organization of code, making it easier for developers to understand and update the codebase. By breaking down complex functionalities into smaller, reusable components, developers can create a more modular and flexible architecture. This not only simplifies the development process, but also allows for easier debugging and testing. In addition, the dry principle fosters a more collaborative and cohesive development environment, as team members can easily share and integrate code components. Ultimately, adherence to the dry principle leads to a more robust and sustainable software solution, as it minimizes the potential for inconsistencies and dependencies within the codebase. As such, it remains a cornerstone of modern software development practices, with numerous benefits for both individual developers and development teams.